So to start off with, you want to make sure you have 4 colors from 2 undertones. So here I have 4 colors with orange undertone and 4 colors from pink undertone as well. So as you can see, I have dark and then lighter version of that dark color. Now I'm taking this dark brown color with a warm undertone and I'm using soft airbrush. So here I'm drawing the basic shape of the nose with the dark brown color with warm undertone, and also make sure that the brush size is not too small because we want thicker sides of the nose. So once you're done with that, just create a new layer and pick up the lighter color of the dark brown color and then just start shading the nose as I am doing in the video. Now create a new layer just above the one where we created the basic shape of the nose, and then just pick up the dark maroon kind of color that I have. So pick up that color and then just go over the nostrils and just paint the nostrils with that color. And also just go back in where you made the basic shape of the nose and just blend out the sides of the nose as I'm doing here in the video. Just blend it out just a little bit and then just go back in where you put the maroon color and then just draw a line over that blended dark brown color. So as you can see here, using the maroon color, I am just making the sides of the nose and just outlining that over the blended dark brown color. I hope that makes sense. So here what I'm doing is I'm just creating a new layer. So you want to make sure you're creating a new layer for every shades or every shadows that you put in, every highlights that you put in. So yeah, now I'm using a lighter color of the maroon color that we used, and I'm just going over the shadow part that we did initially with the dark brown color, and just follow what I'm doing in the video and shade the nose as I'm doing in the video with different color now. So here I'm blending all the colors out. Now you want to make sure that you blend colors really lightly because we don't want to blend out everything. Now I'm taking a lighter version of the brown color and I am just painting it over the bridge of the nose because we don't want to make it look really light because we will be highlighting that part later on. Now here what I'm doing is I'm taking a dark brown color and I'm just adding more depth towards the nostrils of the nose and at the very base of the nose, as you can see. Now I am going back in with the nostrils and I'm just darkening them up with the same maroon color. Now what you want to do is you want to create a new layer, but this time you want to put that layer at the very bottom and then you want to pick up your blush. In other words, you want to pick up a pink color and you just want to go over the nose and all of the shadows that we created. And the reason why we are putting the layer at the very bottom is because we don't want to mess up our shadows. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Just follow what I'm doing in the video. So here comes my favorite part. So now what you want to do is create a new layer and then just place it on the top of every layer that you have and then just take white color, and also I'm using soft airbrush again, and now you just want to decrease the size of the brush. Now you want to highlight the sides of the nose, the tip of the nose, and yeah, and also near the nostrils. So basically wherever I am highlighting in the video, just do the exact same thing if the nose is front facing. And I'll be doing more videos on the nose, but next time I'll be covering up the side facing ones as well. So yeah, just go ahead and follow what I'm doing. Now just a little tip, once you highlight the nose, just create small, really small dots near the highlights just to make it look more realistic. Now the reason why it looks realistic that way is because our nose gets oily during the day and the oiliness you see are in the form of little dots. So I hope that makes sense. Now just take a bluish tone color. I'm taking a really desaturated blue color and I'm just placing it on the sides of the nose like that. And the reason why I'm doing that is because, again, our skin doesn't have only one tone of color. So that is why I'm also including this desaturated blue color as well. And the reason why I'm not choosing purple color is because we already have pinks in the nose. So I really hope that makes sense. I would highly suggest to include all the colors that I did. And if you don't have your own palette, you can just take a screenshot of mine and pick the colors from there. Now I'm adding freckles to the nose. Now you can skip this part, that is completely up to you, but I am just choosing a freckle brush. Now if you haven't watched the video that I did last week on free Procreate brushes, you will find free Procreate brushes for skin as well, and there we have this freckle brush. So that's what I'm using here. I'm just kind of playing around with it, which one I like and which one I do not like. So I'm just playing around with it and just to see which one looks really good. And yeah, that is it, you guys. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And also, if you do create something out of my tutorials, just tag me on Instagram and I will link my Instagram down in the description. And I will see you guys the next time.